Hello everyone, welcome to Study Sport Hub. In this video, I will solve the Excel Chapter 6 Scholarship Dinner assignments step by step. So, in this video, we will use what if analysis, goal seek, the scenario manager to calculate the total cost, revenue, and profit for a successful event. So, let's get started. Step number one, start Excel, download and open the file. I have already downloaded the file here. So we will move toward the second step. In second step, create range names based on the left columns in the ranges A4 to B9, A20 to B20, and A30 to B30. So we will copy the range here, A4 to B9, paste the range, select the range, click on the formula tab, click on create from selection. It's already in the left column. Click OK. Similarly, select the range, copy the range, press enter, click on create from selection, left column select, click OK. Copy the range, select the range, click on create from selection, left column, click on OK. Our second step is completed. So in third step, click on edit the name. Step number 3, edit the name range for guest using valid to guest using valid. Copy the guest using valid. Click on the name manager. Off guest 50%. Click on edit. Replace the name. Click OK. Press the close. Step number 4, enter a formula in cell B27 using named ranges to calculate project cost of catering. The cost of catering is the cost per meal multiplied by the total number of tickets sold. So in B27, enter the formula is equal to, click on cost per meal multiply by tickets sold, press enter. In our next step, enter a formula in cell B28 using named ranges to calculate total cost for a room set. In cell B28, enter the formula is equal to, click on tickets sold multiply by cost per chair certain. Press enter. Step number 5 is completed. Step number 6, enter a formula in cell B29 using named ranges to calculate the total valid expenses. The total valid expenses can be calculated by multiplying tickets sold, multiply by total guest using valid, multiply by valid cost per car. So in cell B29 is equal to tickets sold multiply by multiply by guest using wallet multiply by cost per call. Press enter. Step number 6 is completed. We will move toward the step number 7. In step number 7, use a function to total all expenses in B30. In B30, select the range, go to the home tab, click on auto sum. You can use the formula, sum formula instead. So we have calculated the total expenses here. Step number 7 is completed. Step number 8, enter a formula in cell C32 to calculate the remaining balance, total income minus total expenses. So in cell C32, we will put the formula is equal to select total expenses minus, sorry, select total income minus total expenses. Press enter. Step number 8 is completed. Step number 9, enter a series of substitutions values in the ranges E5 to E25. The value should start at 50 and increases in increments of 5, stopping at 125. Select the range. We have to start the value from the 50. Select range, click on fill, click on series, click on column. Step value should be 5 and stop value should be 125. Press enter. So our start value is 50 and end value is 125. Step number 10. Enter references to total income, total expenses, and balance in the correct location F4, G4, and H4 for a one variable data table. Use range names where indicated. Enter a reference to our total number to F4. F4 is equal to was total income. Present total income. Press enter. In G4 is equal to, we have total expenses. Click on total expenses. Press enter. In H4 is equal to was balance. Click on the balance and press enter. Step 10 is completed. Step number 11, complete the one variable data table in the range. Data table in the range E4 to H20 using cell B5 as the same as the column input cell, and then format the results with comma style. So we will copy the range here. Paste the range, select the range. Select the range. to the data tab, what if analysis, data table, column input cell is B5. Click OK. And format the results with comma style. So for comma style, go to the home tab, click on the comma style. So our step number 11 is completed. Step number 12, type price in cell E4 and apply custom number formats to make the formula references appear as descriptive column headings. In F4, total income; in G4, total expenses; in H2, balance. So type the price in cell E4. In cell E4, click on price. In F4, we have to custom number format the F4 total income. Copy total income, go to the custom, put the inverted commas, click the total income, close inverted commas and click on OK. Click on G4, total expenses, copy total expenses, click on custom, close inverted commas and click on OK. In H2, copy the balance here, click on H4, click on custom, start there, comma, paste balance, close inverted comma and click OK. So we have pasted the balance here. In step number 13, copy the range E5 to E20 and paste it in range J5 to J20. So E5 to E20, paste it into J5 to J20. We have pasted the set date here. We have pasted the set range here. Stay connected for chapter 7. Thanks for watching.